So I am going to upload the tissue paper holder. I'm going to go to the SVG folder and I'm going to go to the tissue keychain open base SVG. I've got both of them here. Continue, upload. I'm going to ungroup. I'm going to change the color just so I can see where all the cut lines are. I don't need to attach anything with this one. I can just go ahead and make. And I will go ahead to continue. Faux leather, paper thin. And I'm going to use the fine point blade for this as well. So the only call out is when you're putting your faux leather on your mat, put the right side face down so it's cutting the back of the leather. And I will do a part 2 of how to assemble these.